Hello friends and welcome to my channel. I am going to show how to solve first layer of 3x3 Rubik's Cube. First I will tell some basic information. Cube has 6 sides. Every side has 4 corner pieces and 4 edge pieces and 1 center piece. Every corner piece contains 3 colors and edge piece contains 2 colors and center piece contains only 1 color. Now let's scramble the cube. Our cube is scrambled now. First we have to do a plus or a cross. A random plus or a cross. So our random plus is done. So we have to rotate it 180 degrees. Opposite to white is yellow. So we have to ignore the yellow pieces. This is green edge piece, green and white. So we have matched it. So rotate it 180 degree. Blue. So rotate it 180 degree. Now red. Rotate it 180 degree. And orange. Rotate it 180 degree. So our plus is done. And we have also matched the edge pieces. Now we have to match the corner pieces. So there is red, blue and white corner piece. So it is here. If white faces this side, we have to do like this. First this portion turn it to right, down, down, left, up, so it comes here. Then turn it right, again down, and it is gone. We have to find another corner piece. So there is red, green and white. It fits here. So we have to do it up, so it came here. And you know now how to do this. Right, down, left. So it is fixed here. Now here is orange, green and white. So down, now right, up, left. So it came here. Now another one, blue, orange and white. It comes here. So down, one more time down, right, up, left. Surprisingly, our first layer is done.